Hello everyone! Welcome back to more statistics consulting tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you something really useful, how to create branching logic in Google Forms. This means that when someone answers a question one way, it takes them to a completely different page or question. First things first, you'll need a Google account. Once you're logged in, head over to Google Forms. When you open Google Forms, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. There are actually 7 different options here, everything from event registrations to customer feedback forms. But for this tutorial, we're going to start with a blank quiz to keep things simple and show you exactly how this works from scratch. Alright, now that we have our blank quiz open, let's create our first question. I'm going to type in a question that's relevant to our work at More Statistics Consulting. Let's say, are you a doctoral student? For the answer options, I'll use the suggested format, just simple yes and no responses. This is a multiple choice question, which is perfect for branching logic. At the bottom of your question, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and you'll see an option that says go to section based on answer. Click that. This is what allows us to send people to different places depending on how they respond. But before we can direct people anywhere, we need to create those sections first. So let's do that now. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a toolbar with different icons. It looks like 2 horizontal lines or an equal sign. That's your Add Section button. Click that icon to create your first new section. Now click the Add Section button again to create another section. Great! Now we have 3 sections total, our original question and 2 new sections for different types of respondents. Now, let's go back to our original question. Remember how we clicked Go to Section based on answer? Now we're going to tell Google Forms where to send people. Next to the Yes response, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Continue to Next Section. Click that drop-down and select Section 2, because if someone is a doctoral student, we want them to see questions specifically for doctoral students. Now do the same thing for the No response. Click the drop-down and select Section 3. This will take non-doctoral students to a different set of questions. Perfect. At the top of your form, click the eye icon to preview your form. Watch what happens when I select Yes, it takes me directly to Section 2, our doctoral student questions. Now let me go back and try No, and there we go. It takes me to Section 3 instead. And there you have it. You've just created branching logic in Google Forms. This technique makes your surveys more efficient, more personalized, and honestly, more professional. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on research methods.